Hello my friends, and welcome to the world of Labocosmetica. And in this 5 series of videos we're going to present you the full detail of a Porsche 911 Carrera from 1985. Divided the detail in 5 phases. Phase number 1, we're going to do the engine bay with a different kind of 3pH system, the exterior with a 3pH system, the inside of the car is phase number 3, phase number 4, polishing and claying, the other way around of course, claying and polishing, and the 5th chapter is going to be about the ceramics and the protection. These videos are not only presented to you in English, but also in Le Français, anch'io Espagnol, Deutsch für meine deutsche Freunden, e in Italiano per tutti i miei amici. In Italia iniziamo con il teaser. Buona visione. Ciao!